Hello, today I show you how to use Apocalypse Photoshop action, and here is some of results you can make with this section. Okay, here is original photo. Then you need to paint the area where you want to focus. You need to paint all image space except the sky. And then you need to paint the area with asphalt or ground. And also you need to paint the destroyed area, the area where you want to add the destroyed effect. So, and here is result. The next example, here is original photo. Then you need to paint all image space except the sky. The second area with asphalt. And the area with destroyed effect. And here is the result. Original photo, the first area, second area with ground, the destroyed area, and the result. Another example, here is original photo, first area, second area with asphalt, the destroyed area, and the result. Next example, first area, second area, the destroyed area, and the result. And the last example, original photo, first area, second area with ground, and the area with destroyed effect, and the result. Okay, and firstly some recommendations for optimal use of action. Use good quality pictures. I recommend using a photo with a resolution between 3000 pixels and 5000 pixels on one axis for best effect. So if you use photo with too small resolution, just open your photo, then go to the image size, and just change the width or height value to 3000 pixels and more. Okay, and before your section, you need to do these steps. First step, make sure that you're using the English version of Photoshop. And if you use version with another language, watch the video how to change language. The link under this video. The second step, go to the image mode and just check the RGB color and add bits channel. And last step, just for CS5 and highest versions, click on menu icon at the right, go to the panel options and just check the add copy to copy it less in groups. Okay, that's all. Now, how to use action. First, open your image, and one more important moment. Your photo need to have the background view. So if your photo have this view, the layer view, you just need to turn this layer view to background view. So how to make this? Select your photo, then go to the layer, view, and just select the background from layer. Now you can see the background view. The next step, open the brushes file. For that, go to the Edit, Presets, Preset Manager. In Preset tab, select Brushes, click Load, go to your Download folder and just open Apocalypse Brushes file. Click Done. Next step, open the Patterns file. For that, go to the Edit, Presets, Preset Manager. But now in Preset tab, select the Patterns, click Load, go to your Download folder again and just open Apocalypse Patterns file. Wait a few seconds and click Done. And the next step, open the Action file. For that, go to the Window, Actions, click on menu icon at the right, click on the Load Actions, go to a Download folder last time and just open the Apocalypse Photoshop Action file. Okay, now you can see the Apocalypse Photoshop Action in the Actions panel. The next step, create a new layer and give the name the area without caps lock. Now you need to paint the area where you want to focus. So you need to paint all image space except the sky. For that you can use the brush tool, you can use a quick selection tool or magic wand tool, and of course you can use lasso tools. For this image I'm gonna use magic wand tool. Firstly, I select all sky area. The selection is done, and now I need to inverse this selection. Let's go to the Select, Inverse. And now you can see that all image space except the sky is selected. Now I just need to use the Paint Bucket tool. You can use any colors. Okay, the area is done. And now go to the Actions panel. If you close the Actions panel, go to the Window, Actions, find the action on the action list, open the folder with action, open the action, and please select the action to make the play button active. Now click play, but before I will click play, please select the brush tool and please make sure that the opacity and flow values of brush tool is 100% and make sure that the normal mode is selected also. Okay, click play. And after 1 second, the first message from Photoshop, now you need to paint the ground or asphalt area. You can use any color. Please paint only on area 2 layer. When you will finish paint the area, please press play button on the Actions panel. To continue, click stop. Okay, click stop. And now you just need to paint the asphalt or ground area. You can see that brush tool is already selected, the color is already selected. Please make sure that the opacity is 100%, the flow is 100% also, and the normal mode is selected. And just paint on the asphalt. It's very easy. Okay, the area is done, the second area is done. And just click play. And the second and last message from Photoshop. Now you need to paint the area where you want to destroy buildings. You can use any color. Please paint only on area 3 layer. When you will finish paint the area, please press play button on the Actions panel. To continue, click stop. Okay, click stop. And now you need to paint the area where you want to add the destroyed effect. So you can see that the brush tool also is selected, and please don't change the size of the brush. Just paint where you want to add the destroyed effect. Okay, the last area is done. Just click play. Also, don't forget to make sure that the opacity and flow values is 100% and that the normal mode is selected also. And just click play. And now wait a few minutes that Photoshop make all actions, and the speed of action work depends on the power of your computer. And I'm little scroll this step. Okay, now the action is finished work, and you can change and edit the final composition. And now I show you how to make this. But firstly, I want to show you how to close all folders, because now you can see that all folders inside the main folder is opened. So to close all folders, just click and hold Ctrl plus Alt keys combination and just open and close the first main folder. And now you can see that all folders inside the main folders is closed. So let's start to edit the final composition. The final composition contains 5 folders. It's background elements folder, your object elements, additional elements, 10 color effects, and color and contour settings of all image. Let's start from background elements. And this folder contains the additional back elements folder with 2 layers with back sky and 1 layer with backlight. Also, this folder contains the sky layers, its back shadow, light map, main sky texture. You can change the size of the sky texture, and also you can move the sky. To make this, just make double click on this layer, select the pattern overlay, and just move the sky texture. Also, you can scale this texture. Same with first main sky texture layer. Also, this folder contains upper shadow, additional black and white filter, and 2 layers with lower backlight. You can also move these lower backlight layers to add more light to your composition. Also, this background elements folder contains the color and contour settings of background elements folder. You can add the gradient to the sky, and you can add the color to the sky, 1 color. Of course, you can change the colors of gradient, make double click, select the gradient, and just change the color, first color and the second color. Also, you can change the angle of this gradient. And you can move this gradient. Same with color to the sky. Make double click and just change the color. And also you can change the brightness and contrast of the sky. Next folder, it's your object elements folder. This folder contains the destroyed buildings, floor asphalt layers, and fire on buildings layers. Let's start from destroyed buildings folder. This folder contains the additional object layers and steel reinforcement. Here is the layer with steel reinforcement. If you want to erase some of space of this reinforcement, just select the layer mask, select brush tool, and select the black color. And just paint where you want to erase the reinforcement. Very easy. And if you want to make visible this reinforcement, just change the color to white and paint again. Very easy. Also, this folder contains two layers with additional damages areas. You can change the opacity of these layers. And also you can use the mask of the folder. If you want to erase all space of additional object layers and steel reinforcement, just select the mask of the folder, select the brush tool with black color, and just paint where you want to erase this effect. To make visible, change color to white and paint again. Please pay attention that you need to paint only on mask. Next folder, it's main back smoke layers. It's two layers with main smoke. You can also erase the back smoke using the layer mask. Just select the layer mask, brush tool and black color. To make visible, change color to white and paint again on the layer mask. Also, you can add the color to main smoke. Next folder, it's main damaged area. 3 layers. You can also change the opacity of the folder, and you can use the mask of the layers or of the folder. And the next folder, it's very important folder, your object layers. You can add the original details. Now I show you how to add the original details. Select the layer mask, select brush tool with a white color, and just paint where you want to add the original details. To erase the original details, just change the color to black and paint again. The next layer, it's main object layer. You can add the color tone to main object layer. You can change the brightness and contrast of this layer. And the last folder inside the destroyed buildings folder, it's dirty effect and cracks on the buildings. This folder contains one layer with cracks effect on the buildings. You can also move these cracks using the pattern overlay. And also this folder contains the 3 layers with dirty effect on the buildings. And finally you can add the color tone to original area. Please use this layer only with original area. So if you show the original parts, please use this layer. Next folder, it's floor asphalt layers. This folder contains the cracks on the floor asphalt. Also you can change the brightness and contrast of asphalt area. This folder contains the folder with black smoke, the folder with fire elements. If you want to erase some space of fire on the floor, just select the layer mask, select the brush tool with black color, and just paint where you want to erase the fire. To make visible, use white color. Also, if you want to add the fire on some another parts of your image, just select the layer, not the layer mask, and just paint where you want to add more fire. Very easy. Okay. Also, this folder contains the firelight layer and the folder with a white smoke. Also very useful layer, it's white smoke on the floor asphalt. You can add more opacity. And also, if you want to add more white smoke, select the brush tool and just paint on the layer. And now you can see more white smoke. Very easy to add. Okay, looks nice. Okay, and the next folder, it's fire on buildings layers. This folder contains the black smoke layers and fire elements layers. Let's start from black smoke. The 5 layers with black smoke. You can erase these layers using the layer mask, or you can use the mask of the folder. Also, fire elements on the destroyed area layers contains the fire on destroyed area and the firelight. If you want to erase the fire and smoke, maybe here, you just need to select the mask of the folder of fire elements and erase the fire elements. Then you need to erase the black smoke and just erase the black smoke. So it's very easy. And to make visible, just paint with white color. Okay, the next main folder, it's additional elements folder. This folder contains the shadow frame. You can change the opacity of this shadow frame And of course you can duplicate this shadow frame. For that, select this layer, go to the layer, duplicate layer. And now you can see more shadow. Also, this folder contains the sunlight layer. You can change the opacity of this sunlight. And also you can add the color to sunlight. Okay, the next folder contains 10 color effects. And the last folder, it's color and contrast settings of all image. You can change the brightness and contrast of all image. You can add the color tone to all image. You can make a black and white composition. You can add the photo filter to all image. To change the photo filter, just make double click and select the photo filter from list. You can change the density. Also, you can change the hue and saturation. And also you can add the gradient to all image. Make double click, click on the gradient, and just select the first and second gradient colors. So here is result. Now I need just save. Hope you enjoyed this section. Thanks for watching and good luck.